Hello, my name is Don Chater. I'm a website guy and saw your advertisement on a Facebook group, like a small business entrepreneurs, and really impressed by your beautiful website and wanted to give you some tips and tricks here. So, let's see. So you're in Frisco. It's like a 200,000 population city. So there's a lot of people looking for your services, and I wanted to just show you that. So some quick things on, so like the title tag, top Frisco movers. So I would put, so this is probably perfect right here. Frisco movers, but then I'd put your name step by step. Google loves branding. And then same thing in the meta tag. Let's see here. I would put Frisco. Yeah, you got to hear Frisco movers again. And then the H1 tag, I would only put one. You have too many H1 tags. So I would, again, keep it very consistent. Put in Frisco movers. when, and then make all these like your H2 tags. So long distance, Frisco long distance, you want to keep it, since you're a local business. And we can talk about how to have more localities on your website. But just for the main homepage, I would keep it very consistent, Frisco movers, just so Google knows exactly what you want to rank for. So I'll get into why that's important here. So I have an account with this Ahrefs. I got your website pulled up here. So this is really good, actually. You got some backlinks. You got the organic keywords is what I wanted to show you. So let's see. So this is good. You're on the first page of, let's say this is a Google search. People are typing in first step moving. And there's about 30 people per month. Looks like you're getting one person per month to actually click on your website. And so, but here we go. So movers, Frisco, Texas. So there's about 70 people typing that in. You're on the second page, so a lot of people aren't coming to you. Commercial moving companies near me, since you're in Frisco. There's 90 people. Let's see. So these are the money words right here. So like Fort Worth, Texas. People, because it has the city and the main keyword, those are like the money words right there, where people have their wallets open, money in hand, and they're looking for you. So moving company Fort Worth, 30 people. Frisco Moving Systems, 50 people. And you can see here you're getting further and further away from the first page. Here's another tool, this Uber suggests. Neil Patel is like the king of SEO, getting websites ranked here. So let's see. So you got, branding on your website, Frisco Moving Delivery. So out of state moving companies, there's 1,000 moving companies. Fort Worth, 1,000. Dallas movers, 3,000. And it looks like you're actually ranking, second, third page, fourth page. So, just some ideas. I hope companies get to the first page, the top three. 80% of customers Googling for you. They usually go with the top businesses. I see you're on Yelp. Where did I see that? Yelp. I'm kind of like Yelp. The thing that Yelp and, Angie's List, Thumbtack, they usually sell the lead to 3 to 5 different businesses, your competitors, and you may get that customer or never hear from them, but Yelp still takes your money. I only work with one company, so that's what makes me different. But if you're interested, I just wanted to give you some ideas. But yeah, I just wanted to keep this short. Sorry, I paused the video there. Let's see. So just to get back to the original idea, I think would help you move up in the rankings right away is, move. I think your title tag is probably perfect, but I would put step by step in here. Locally owned and operated, that doesn't need to be in the title. And then the meta description, yeah, I'd put Frisco as the first thing here, but otherwise that looks good. But the H1 tag, so all three being consistent would tell Google exactly who you are and what you do and where. So, and then the H2 tags, the images help too if you put descriptions of your images, since Google, the spiders can't really see images. So, but just some ideas there. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you. Reach out to me back if you have any questions. Have a good day. My name's Don.